Put the tire. I mean,
Where's your home? Where's your home? I need you.
You need who?
I need you.
Hi. Something come on my feet.
Excuse me.
Ethan! You hit me 2 times.
Sorry.
Elaine, only the tire.
Lane, do the tire practices. You want to clean this? That's it.
Only the tire. Whoa. Okay, I'm ready.
Watch out.
Go.
Watch out, people.
I'm done faster.
Come on.
Done faster with the wheel. Wash my leg. Washing my leg. He's shaving.
What? Do it cheap.
Shaving on the ground.
Let me shave your leg. Let me shave your leg.
I woke up in a hospital with stitches on my head. Oh, I'm sorry. Even you got it. Guys, DJ went Okay, then. I don't know.
Can a girl have her privacy when she's shaved?
I'm wet.
Shave your arm.
Oh.
Okay. Who's gonna die?